Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting market for gold for 2nd and 3rd September, and do watch the video to the end as I would try my best to summarize all the analysis which we are looking in the market. And tomorrow we are having US elections that would have a significant impact on the market for the gold. So let's begin. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed. So on we are currently on a 4 hourly chart, and here what we can see is that we have seen a sell off after retesting this particular resistance zone, and then we have seen a sell off towards a range of 1857, and then we have seen a bullish momentum entering in the market from a point of some around 1857, and now currently the market prevailing its bullish trend towards some around 1889. So now what we can expect or see is that we have drawn a descending channel in the market, in which we have seen that the market has easily broke off. Now coming on the fundamental perspective, we are having huge data today and tomorrow also, and in huge data, and we are also having US elections results coming out tomorrow, which will have a significant impact on the market. Now, what we can consider is that in the previous election, when the Donald Trump won, we have seen a significant bullish run up from a range of some around 1150 till some around 1250 to 1260, or in a 1300 zone. Now here what we can expect is that currently we can draw a support trend line from some around in range of 1859 till in range of, and we can draw that in support zone. Now here we have highlighted two support zone. One is the support trend line which you can see, and one is the support zone in range of some around 1862 till some around 1850, and this are the two resistance. This is the resistance zone, and in range of some around 1906 to till some around 1902, and the second resistance zone is this particular resistance trend line. Now what we can particularly see is that we are having both long and short opportunities in the market according to the market momentum. First, I am more bullish for the market as the uncertainty would grew. We have seen many countries putting re-lockdown or shutdowning their economic activity, which have created some uncertainty, and the uncertainty could only be hedged by safe haven such as gold. Thus, we can expect a price increase in the market for the gold. So now coming on the long opportunities, we can go for a long on a retest towards this particular support zone. Thus our entry trigger point would be some around 1881 with a take profit of this particular resistance zone of some around 1902, with a stop loss just placed some around 1872. This trade will give an exit reward of approx 1:1.2. Another bullish scenario is that if we see a break through this particular resistance zone and the market closing above 1915. However, this is a long range bullish target. Thus, if the market did closed above 1915 till 1920 in range of that would clearly give us a signal to go long, with our stop losses for that long would be placed somewhere around 1900s, with our take profit would be updated later. However, our entry trigger point would be somewhere around 1917. Now another bullish scenario would be a retest towards this particular support zone. However, when we analyze this particular support zone going into the past, we can analyze that this particular support zone and in range of some around 1862 to some around 1850 is a major support zone. Since here 24 September we did see that the market did took support Recently, we again saw that the market did took support from this particular area, and if we go more deeper, some around 13 August, we did see a huge sell off in the market, and we did see that the market was taking in support here. Here we can see that the market did fall a quite a strong or a quite frequently from in a range of some around 2050 till some around 1850. Some around we have seen a market sale off of some around 200 points, which is a major momentum or the major movement in the market. Secondly or fourthly, we have seen that the market some around 23 July did taken support, thus making this particular support zone a strong support zone. If we saw that the market did break this particular support zone, if we hit our stop losses which we have triggered our long position some around 1881 we which I have given a signal to go long, and if we hit our stop losses in the market closed below 1872, so no worry, as we have highlighted or we have checked or we have analyzed this particular support zone, which is a very strong support zone, we would again go for a long opportunity in the market with our stop losses just placed below this support zone some around 1844, with our take profit of this resistance zone of some around 1902, with our entry trigger point of 1858. This trade will give a next reward of approx 1:3. Now coming on in scenario that we saw a huge sell off entering in the market breaking this particular support zone, breaking our major support zone, which is in very less likely chance, some around 10% chance, and in 90%, I'm 90% sure that the market would see a bullish scenario, and I have 10% chances that the market would potentially see a bearish scenario according to the uncertainty in the presidential cycle which we have analyzed. Thus, we can go for a short opportunity if we see that the market did closed below some around 1840 to 1854, with our entry trigger point some around 1854, with our stop losses placed some around 1865, with our take profit of some around 1835. Do keep in mind I am more bullish, and there is a very less likely chance that we saw a sell off or this kind of huge sell off in currently uncertain times. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.